Oh, I'm having a Lilly Pilly Berry Ryeberry feast off my lawn. Look at them all, they're everywhere. Here's a few I picked up. I'm going to scoff these right now. And beautiful. They get sweeter if you get them off the ground. I got one that's a little bit wrinkled, like this one here. Has a real raisin type taste to it. Oh yeah, a lot better off the ground than off the tree. So off my trees and off the ground, mostly off the ground, I just collected all these Lilly Pilly berries, washed them up. I learned how to dehydrate them or freeze dry them or something. I saw a YouTube channel called Modern Native Australia, and the guy on there is dehydrating Lilly Pilly berries by putting them on a tray and covering them and leaving them in the sun. So these have been washed. We'll see how it goes because I've got too many to eat, so I've got to try and save some. My veranda's quite high, so I figured the bugs probably wouldn't get to these ones that I'm just going to leave uncovered in this here old frying pan for the comparison, covered versus uncovered. And plus they're seedless, so they're not even, I have to be open to dry out, so maybe that'll help keep the bugs at bay. We'll soon find out. Day one in the sun is over, so tonight I'm going to put them in the oven at what I'm guessing is about 50 degrees. Yeah, give it a go. I left them overnight. This morning seemed pretty dry to me. A lot smaller than when they started. I like to eat. Crunchy and sweet. These ones here, the other lot that were in the frying pan, I've put them into the warm baking tray. Truth be told, my oven's not very good. It doesn't actually work. I've been grilling them, lightly grilling them. It does hold a temperature at 40, 50 degrees. You can still set it off the temperatures even with grilling, and these ones were on top. I mean, the other ones were on top. That's why they probably come out so crunchy. I don't know if they're meant to be crunchy like that. They're not exactly like apricots. These ones here still got a fair bit of moisture. So what I'll do is I'll leave them in the sun for the day and see how they go. Yeah, back in the sun. Give them a few hours, or just keep checking them. They don't look as appetizing as when they were fresh. But at this stage here, when they're still a little bit contain a bit of moisture, they're actually the nicest they are. The nicest eating that I've had. Yeah. And they didn't lose their colour in the sun uncovered, which is what I thought might happen, because you watch people trying to dry out chilies and so forth, and that's the problems they have. Anyway, we'll leave them there for a few hours and check on them. Okay, so this is about an hour and a half later. I hope you can hear me over old mate down the back with his lawnmower there, but anyway. So, they're pretty much done. Some drop and have a clinking noise, so I say they're ready. Others drop and have a dull noise. They're probably not. What I'll do is I will put the ones that drop and make the noise, I'll put them in with the other ones from the other batch, and these ones here that don't make a noise, I'm just going to gobble those up because I've gotten a bit hungry looking at these all morning. Conclusion, yeah, when they're dried, they're probably quite nice to eat with something else. When they're half dried, they're the best form they can be. They really are. So, will I dry more out? Yeah, I probably will. Thank you for watching. Oh, these are good. Oh, yeah.